Hi and welcome back to my channel. This video will be a hair tutorial. You'll be needing your hairbrush gel and the extension you'll be using. I'll be using Darling Kinky extension. So basically I'll be applying the hair gel all over my hair. Then I'll go in with my brush to brush it up into a high bun because I'm trying to achieve a top high bun look.
Here I am, running out of time, swept away by the riptide, hand held out, trying to touch the light, but never mind, I'll make it out alive. I'm looking blindfold through a tightrope, danger cannot shut me off, ain't no doubt, my feet have crossed the line towards no hope. Cold word, no hate allowed, no more hate allowed.
So I'm just going to tie up the hair now into a high bun, brush the hair in place. Now I'm just going to tie the hair using my hair scarf to make the hair gel slick on the hair. After tying it in place for a few minutes, I'm going to be taking off the head scarf. You can see how slick the hair looks now. So I'm going to go in with my Darling Kinky extension. So I will just use the rubber band to attach the extension to my hair, after which I would style it up into the top bun I'm trying to achieve. So this is it. This is my top bun, high bun, using my Darling Kinky extension. Tell me what you think. Give it a thumbs up. Now just being a little bit extra, I just went around to accessorize it with these gold strings. So this is it. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Would you be trying it out? It's easy to do. You just need your hair gel, your hairbrush, and the kinky extension of choice you'll be using. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. Also check my other videos if you're new here. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.